Hello guys, Silver Butterflies here. Today I will review 3 perfumes about Rose. The first one I sprayed Kate Moss. It's an awesome scent. It's like English rose. It's one of those English roses, light pink, a very big bouquet, and it's like standing in a crystal vase. And you see those green stems and you enjoy vision of it, and you just smell it and sniff it and enjoy the whole whiff of it. I already sprayed it on myself, but who knows, maybe I will update later on. Second one, Tea Rose from the Perfumer Workshop Ltd. So this scent is pure yellow roses and nothing else. Maybe some yellow flowers, but no, actually yellow roses, just that. And for some reason it reminds me of Soviet perfumes in childhood. It's very potent, to the point. It's like right here, yellow roses, Tea Rose. This is for you. The best season for me, August. I bought it in August, and I remind myself to use it in August. Now, because of this rose robe, I decided to use this in my video. And the third, this is actually a carnation rose. It's about a sweet woman. So sweet, so she's like overly sweet or bittersweet, because carnation rose together is the power. It's like if you were too sweet and you have to kind of put yourself bitterness in yourself to be strong. This is what is it. It's Blass, hot, or like American says, hot. So I chosen between this and this. Kate Moss. It's a very fresh, pokey pink rose. I love this scent. I have a little stashes, and I kicking myself that I didn't bought it more. They don't sell it anymore, and probably in UK you can still find it from hands. And as for now, I finish my conversation with you guys. All the best. I have to fly somewhere. I'm your silver butterfly. Bye for now.